Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Threads account's not deleting. So if your Threads account won't delete, so the issue is usually caused by account restriction, temporary app problem, or using the wrong deletion method. So to fix that, so first open Threads, tap your profile in the bottom right, go to settings in the top right, then go to account center, then confirm you're using the correct account before attempting deletion. Next is to check your internet connection, so open settings, go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're using a stable connection. You can also switch to another network or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also restart your router if needed. Then try deleting the account again and see if that works. Next is to go to settings again. Once you're on settings, scroll down and go to general. Then scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Then in here, look for threads. Select that, then select Offload App and click Offload App again to confirm the action. Then click Reinstall App again and just wait for it to finish. So once done, open Threads again and see if you can delete the account. You can also try a different device or browser. So if the app is malfunctioning, you can sign in on another phone or use a web browser if account management options are available for your account, then attempt the deletion again. Next, so to delete your account, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, then go to settings in the top right, go to account center, then go to manage accounts, then select your Threads app and click manage, then select the activation or deletion, then select delete account, then follow the following prompts. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.